Welcome back to my channel at TheatricallyJerry. My name is Jerry, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on SHEHDS 36 by 18 watt moving head. They do have two different versions of this model. There is the standard push button version. So what that means is that you can actually just navigate the menu system using push buttons. Or they also have the newer touchscreen version. They both are the same exact light. The only difference is one's touchscreen and one's push button. So anyways, this is what the light comes in, a unmarked box here. It's not a rather large box, so it's not going to take up a whole lot of space if you do get one. We're going to need our handy dandy scissors to open this up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the tape off here. I do own 4 other ones, so I wanted a 5th and ordered this one. You can get a deal if you order more than one, of course, so they're a little cheaper, but for now I just needed one extra wash, so I ordered this one. The first thing that you're greeted with is the user manual that sits on top here. So you are going to get your user manual with this. You're going to want to keep it because it does tell you all of the DMX channel values, and that's very important, although a lot of consoles already have the fixture profile for this light. So I prefer to make my own fixture profiles, but you can also download a D4 if you want. So the first thing that you have to get out is this piece of cardboard here. All right, so as you can see here, you do have a molded foam insert that holds the light in. So SHEHDS actually does a great job of packaging their light fixtures so they don't arrive damaged, of course. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside because we don't need it. And I'm going to go ahead and flip this box over so you can see the actual fixture here. It's still in the molded foam on the back because there's 2 pieces of foam that sandwich the light together so it doesn't move, and that's very important. I always like to rate the packaging of my light fixtures because how well they're packaged is how well it's going to arrive to you. All right, so here you have the 36 by 18 watt light fixture. You are also getting a power connector, which is standard with SHEHDS or SHEHDS fixtures. So you do get one of those. You are also getting your 3-pin DMX cable. They include that as well. And they also include a quick release yoke that you can mount your C-clamp to. So they include these. They're okay. They're not great. I wish they would include the foldable C-clamps that are pre-installed on light fixtures, but those seem to come with more expensive lights. But maybe in the future, SHEHDS, you guys could include foldable C-clamps just so we're not constantly having to take these on and off when we want to use them. But anyways, we are done with the box, so I can go ahead and get rid of that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I do have a full and comprehensive review on SHEHDS 36 by 18 watt Zoom moving head car, and it is on my channel. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at TheatricallyJerry. You can search for this on my channel. I do have a comprehensive and full review on this light fixture. I do find them For the price, a good deal. They're very versatile. They do have a pretty high light output. The only thing that I really found that I didn't like about these fixtures is they are pretty cheap. I mean, a lot of this is plastic. This is metal, but this is plastic. There's a lot of plastic on these light fixtures, so they don't feel very sturdy, but they do get the job done. And for the price, you kind of have to overlook the materials they use to make it. There is a really large metal heat sink on the back of this as well. So this is actually metal. This is plastic. The heat sink is metal. It's overall a decent fixture. If you can get it for under $200 like I did, I would recommend it. I would not recommend paying over $200 for this light fixture because I don't think it's worth over $200, but if you can get it for under $200, great job. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have a comment or question about any of SHEHDS light fixtures or light fixtures in general, go ahead and leave it down below. I do respond to them as quickly as I can. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at TheatricallyJerry. I do a lot of reviews on stage and DJ lighting, atmospherics, equipment. I do a lot of tutorials. If stuff like that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching.